All right. Guys, what is going on? It is a pleasure to have you guys. We are back with Ethan J, Perseverance Personal Training. Today's video, we're going to go over some of the best moves to put on muscle mass. So if you're trying to put on muscle, I'm going to go over a quick training montage and show you guys exactly how you can put on as much muscle as possible as a natural with some great moves. We're going to start off with a barbell deadlift. You're working your hamstrings. You're working your upper back rhomboids. You're working your core. You're working your hip flexors. This is a hip hinge movement. Love deadlifting. If you're not new to deadlifting, I'd say get a coach, learn the form. It's fantastic for building muscle. Next move on our list, we're going to move into the bench press, man. I love the bench. It's a phenomenal movement pattern. I love being able to work on my pecs, shoulders. It's probably one of the moves that I started working with the most when I was younger. So shout out to being in high school. Here I am pressing up 185 for one. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Got some work to do. Long work to do. Nonetheless, there we go. Moving on to the next move, we got a fundamental way to kind of activate those pectoralis major muscles. You got your triceps working as well too. And if you've done the bench already, it's kind of a great way to kind of soar out and really fatigue the chest. I specifically really like the way that this chest press works because the full extension is an inversion. So you're pressing in. So you get to really focus on that crease in the middle of your chest. So if you have access to a chest press, I would highly suggest trying this out. And while I'm pumping a couple reps out, guys, one thing I'm always trying to focus on is, and this is a mistake that I learned when I was younger, you don't want to just go blast out reps. Your goal is you want to feel that fatigue. You want to feel those muscles really rip. You want to feel, not rip, but you want to feel them, almost fill up with oxygen, right? And fatigue. As you start to do sets, break your time apart. I think I drop here and I do a couple of push-ups. So push-ups, another great way to really get into pectoralis major muscle growth, upper body gains. What I'll do sometimes, if you'll see in this set, is I'll superset. So I'll do some push-ups, maybe like a 4 set of 12. I'll do one set. And then after I'm done push-ups, I'll go back to the chest press, and I'll go rep some out. So phenomenal way to kind of really work on the chest muscles. I recommend trying this out. And for all my beginners, you're going to feel sore. You're going to feel tired, but man, oh man, are you going to make progress? And off this, we go on to the next move. Yeah, I can't really preach to you deadlifting enough, guys. The importance of deadlifting. If you're not seeing a visual on the screen, my apologies, but it's a screen of me deadlifting, right? As you can see here, I'm setting up the 235, pressing, and my form has a long way to work, but man, is this such a fundamental move. Try this, add this to your game. We go from here, we move on into the rows. We're getting into some rows. I love doing rows. Fantastic for grip strength, Fantastic for rhomboid strength, upper back, lower back, a little bit of the lats as well too. You're really working on the center crease of the back as you kind of row. Phenomenal movement pattern, man. I can't stress this one enough. I've seen a lot of gains when I started to add regular rows to my routine. Rows fix your posture. Rows fix grip strength. And man, oh man, are they fun to do. So try those out. Let me know what you think. Fantastic for back again. So if you're looking to add stuff to back day, this is something you should definitely add to the routine. From here, we move on into another move. So luckily for this gym, I was able to, try out a trap bar. The trap bar was a pretty cool add-on. Love working with trap bars. I love doing trap bar deadlifts, but I also really love doing trap bar shrugs. Great for the shoulders, great for every part of the shoulder anatomy. Phenomenal for shoulder stability. Add this to your gains, add this to your routine, try this out. You might be impressed with what you can do with trap bar shrugs. Then we move into preacher curls. Gotta love preacher curls. Big fan of preacher curls. The energy's livid in this gym. We're going for sets of failure here. Have a little bit of fun with that. So preacher curls, bicep gains. If you're trying to build more biceps, this is your guy. Preacher curls, a phenomenal way to build on bicep strength. Here we got hyped up and we're going to failure. Bicep, it's an isolation movement, but a great way to get that bicep to kind of peak up. We're not using a lot of weight here. We're just trying to go for the hypertrophy, but energy was great in this gym. Bicep curls, add this to your gains. Like I said before, it's an isolation move. So I would add this to the end of your workouts, right? Volume work. You're going for 15, 20, 25 sets and you're going all the way down and then bringing yourself back up, right? Loving the form here, loving the intensity. Add this one to your routine. Big time move here. We got the incline bench press. Shout out to Oliver in the back, giving the spot. This is a phenomenal move for your upper chest. As you can tell, I got a long way to go. This is when I was during a cut, so I was kind of like losing strength, but phenomenal for the gains, phenomenal for the posture, phenomenal for the chest as well too. Believe it or not, the incline is really good for posture control. You got to really brace your core as you're gonna bracing. Love this. Add this to your gains. You will see a lot of progress. We move on and we go into dips, man. Dips. And we got the dip. Honestly, right now, guys, I'm going to tell you the truth. This is in the lab for me right now. I have a lot of work to do. My goal is I want to be able to do 50 in one set. I'm struggling with 20 right now, 20 to 25, around 30 if I can push it. But I've been told a long time ago, and it still makes sense to me to this day. Dips, they say, are the squat of the upper body. And I totally agree. There's different variations. But the saturations and the development you get in your shoulders, plus the stuff that you have going on in your chest, phenomenal for muscle growth. So if you're skipping on dips, bodyweight dips are a huge cheat code. Add them to your gains, add them to your routine. You'll be surprised at the progress. And we're going to move right into that last move. If you guys have been following along, I really love that you guys have been watching the content. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, leave me a subscribe. I'd love to know where you're at when it comes to training. We're just going over some of my favorite moves. And we missed lunging and squatting. I would have added that into this routine. Nonetheless, the video goes on. Add dips to your routine and you will love the progress. Finally, as we near wrap up this video, we get into overhead pressing. Overhead pressing, phenomenal for shoulders, for chest, for upper deltoid strength. Phenomenal stuff. Shout out to Coach John Panetta in the background who's giving the spot. As you can tell, I'm struggling, man. This is near the end of the workout, so that weight is not going up. But John, as you can tell, is a great trainer. This is how you should be training, guys. If you're training clients, the whole goal is you want to have that intensity. So shout out to John. So one thing I love about him is he's a great trainer, hands down, one of the best that I've seen in his area and where he works. And I truly believe that, if you push yourself to the limit, that's where the growth occurs. Shout out to John, shout out to Training Zone. Moving in to the next last move here. And I believe it is, like I was thinking, alternating bicep curls. So I try to go to Zotmans, right? Zotman curls just because Zotman curls give you a better concentration. But whenever I'm doing forearm training, whenever I'm doing arm training, I go right into curls. Curls I think are phenomenal. Isolation movement, they really, really hone in on what specific area you're working. So have fun with this. Add this to your routine. Search up what Zotman curls are, or I'll do a video describing what they are. And the guys, this is my video for the moves that I would focus on if I was just starting out to get myself in shape in the gym. So if you're in a gym and you have access to these exercises, add the squat, add the lunge in, try all of these moves and be consistent. Progressively overload, meaning you add a little bit more weight every single time. Try to go 4 to 5 sets, 8 to 12 reps just to start out. Build yourself up, figure out where you're at, and build and grow. And guys, remember, fitness is for everybody. So start where you are and grow.